ICICI Small Finance Bank in focus on the back of its quarter one update. Let's talk technicals now. We've got Mr. Dharmesh of ICICI Direct joining us on the show. Dharmesh, hi. Good to be speaking with you. Quickly give us a check on how you're looking at the Nifty right now. 24,100 is where we're at. Do these levels sustain? And if so, what would your top bets be?
So good afternoon, Sneh.
Good
Absolutely, I think
afternoon.
so. The market, if you see the last few trading sessions, we have been trading in this range of 20-day and 100-day moving average. I think so. The way that things are panning out right now, where 23,800, 23,700 remains to be the very strong support when 20-day and 50-day moving average comes around those levels. We expect that levels to hold in this current corrective phase. And eventually, we believe, I think so, the 100-day exponential moving average, which is acting as a major resistance for the Nifty for last few trading sessions, which is around 24,200, should eventually taken out, and we should be looking for a target of around 24,500 to 24,800 in the month of July. So if you look at the technical setup of the Nifty 50 constituents, I think that is something interesting to be look out for. Where if you look at the bank Nifty, I think so the most of the heavyweights like HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, or even SBI, I think so most of them looks, I think so, more technically better for the next week. So it looks like, I think so, maybe in the near term we can see some bit of a consolidation in the range of 23,800 to 24,200, but eventually we expect that 2500 to 24,800 is likely target for the month of July. Some interesting data to be look out for. Why we believe, I think, for the market to be moving on the higher side. One is important because the crude, I think, so the one which has been at the back to the pre-Iran war, I think, which was around 70, and that is something argues well for the Indian market. Also, the bond yield have corrected, and at the same time, we see FI's selling pressure seems to be receding. I think so. The way it used to be in the month of June, I think so. Things looks much better in the days to come. So overall, I think so. Outlook for the market buy the dip should be the strategy, and it dip towards 23,600 to 23,800 should be looked as a buying opportunity.
So 23,500 to 24,800, pardon me, is the levels that you're watching out for the month of July. Dharmesh, on that note, thank you so much for your time. On that note, time to step into a very short break, and we'll try and connect with the management of More Pen Labs on the other side. Stay tuned.